Jai Gurudev to all. Today I am giving question answer on networking concept. Okay, so see, first question, take the correct one. Here some multiple choice question given, so here you take any one correct answer. Okay, so first question is protocol used in man network. Protocol means it is a set of rules. Okay, and there is no rule 231 and 235 or 236. Okay, so answer is RS 232. Okay, this protocol we are using in man network. Then full form of LAN. Full form of LAN is it's one type of network. So and full form of LAN is local area network. So answer is B. Full form of NAC is, okay, so full form of NAC, it's a network control. So the full form of is network access control, A. Then fourth is type of network security. Okay, so WAS, VAN and MSN, so this is not any type of security. So VPN, virtual private network, it is a network security, it is a one type of network security. Okay, then fifth is hub is a device that divides a network connection into multiple. Answer is computer. Okay, there is no network, machine and cable, so answer is C, computer. Then 6 is MAN stand for. Okay, so MAN stand for means long form of MAN is Metropolitan Area Network. So answer is B. Then 7 is NOS stand for. Okay, so NOS stand for Network Operating System. Then 8th is how many types of computer network are there. So there are 3 types of network: LAN, MAN, WAN. Then 9th is firewall provide network. Firewall provide, it is a one type of barrier which provide the security. Okay, so answer is C, security. Then B, fill in the blanks. Okay, next question, fill in the blanks. First is the internet is the biggest wide area network in the world. Okay, see, your question is the internet is the biggest in the world, and in the blank space you have to write wide area network. Second question, network has no responsible server. So which network? It is a peer-to-peer network, has no responsible server. Third is a client server network contains the system. Okay, it contains the centralized system. Then fourth is LAN provide security. With security, it is a higher security. Then next question, write true false. Write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. So see, first statement, peer-to-peer network has no responsible server. So it is a true, because responsible server where we will get? In a centralized system. So second question, we can save money by sharing devices. It is also true. Then third is fiber cable is used for transmission media. Fiber cable, this is one type of media through which you are communicating with each other. Okay, so it is a true. Then fourth is LAN is a group of computer connected to each other in a small area such as a building. So this is also true. Then fifth is firewall did not put any barrier. Okay, so it is a false, because firewall is working as a barrier and it provides a security from the third party person. Okay, then next is last true false, LAN is a more powerful than WAN. Okay, so LAN is more powerful than WAN, so this statement also true. Answer the following question. Okay, so first question, what do you understand by network? Okay, so what is network? See the definition. If this question is asking for 2 marks, so you have to just write first paragraph. Okay, but if this question is asking for 3 or 4 marks, so you have to give detailed description on that. Okay, answer C, a network can be defined as a group of connected computer and other device which can exchange data. And second paragraph, each of the device on the network works as a node. Each node has a unique IP address. Then second question C, What is client server model? Answer is client server network is a network model designed for an user called client to access the resources such as song, video, etc. from a central computer known as a server. Third question C. Define all types of network. Okay, so there are three types of network. You know that LAN, MAN and WAN. So we have to give definition for to that three types of network. So first is see LAN, local area network. What is local area network? Local area network LAN is a group of computer connected to each other in a small area such as building or an office. You can see the structure of LAN. Okay. Then next is MAN. Now what is MAN? See, MAN, it means Metropolitan Area Network, is a network that covers a larger geographic area by interconnecting different LAN to form a larger network. This network is confined to a city or a metropolitan area. Okay, so this is the answer of definition of MAN. Then what is WAN? A wide area network, WAN, is a network that extends over a large geographical area such as states and countries. Okay, the best
If you
example
want
of WAN
detailed
is,
description on this
internet.
topic,
Okay?
networking fundamental or networking concept, so already I uploaded one video on my channel. So you clear that your all concept from this video, and I'm giving the link about this video in my description box. So if you want, so check from my description box. Don't forget like, subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get my latest video. Thank you.